It's Monday morning and my stomach is ready to grub. I open the fridge and realize I have no healthy options ready to eat. I didn't have time to meal prep this weekend and I'm out of prepared meals from my meal delivery service. With my busy schedule ahead this week and no healthy food options in the house, what's a girl to do? But first, a quick heads up. The information I'm providing here is for your entertainment and education, and it is not meant to be a substitute for professional medical advice, nor is it meant to be a substitute for a consultation with a healthcare professional. And now, on with the show. Sometimes it can be more helpful to not just hear tips, but to see real-life examples. So today, I'm taking you along to show what I really eat when I don't have prepped meals on hand. This isn't some celebrity diet from a glossy magazine. This is the real deal. So get ready, my Fit Foodie fam, from on-the-run breakfasts to restaurant dinners. I'm giving you an inside look at how I nourish my body and stay on track with my goals, even with no elaborate meal planning. Let's dive in. Let's start with breakfast. After my morning walk, I often head to my local coffee shop and order their steel-cut oatmeal that comes with pecans, strawberries, and cinnamon sugar. But instead of the cinnamon sugar combo, I ask for cinnamon alone to cut out the sugar calories, but still take advantage of the metabolism and digestion-boosting qualities of cinnamon spice. If I'm in the mood for extra sweetness, I'll add some of my own stevia, as I always have a stash of stevia packets in my purse. And if I want to thin out the consistency of the oatmeal, instead of milk, I use the hot water that they've got set out. I try to avoid dairy because I've discovered that I tend to look more lean and have more energy when I do so. When it comes to my morning coffee ritual, I've got my personal preferences. I like to alternate between decaf and the caffeinated version so that I don't get too dependent on caffeine. Instead of dairy, I opt for almond milk to bring me that creamy goodness. I also like to add a bit of sweetness with a dash of stevia, giving my brew just the right amount of lift. And of course, we can't forget the finishing touch, a sprinkle of cinnamon that infuses warmth and flavor into every sip. It's these little details that make my coffee truly mine. And that's it. A simple breakfast of oatmeal and coffee that keeps me fueled and focused. By mid-morning, when it's snack time, I'll nibble on a trail mix. One loaded with nuts for a satisfying crunch and dried fruit for a nice burst of flavor. But I'm careful about the trail mix I choose. I go for brands that keep the added sugar and sodium in check. And sulfites, artificial colors, or flavors, that's a no for me. I like to keep things clean. The amazing part about this snack, it's got that power trio of fats, carbs, and protein. They join forces to keep me sailing smoothly until lunchtime. When the lunch hour hits, I often grab a salad. I look for options that are gluten-free and dairy-free, or I ask that the gluten and dairy ingredients be removed. I avoid gluten for the same reason that I avoid dairy. I've just found that I look leaner and have more energy when I do so. Today, I ordered the Thai salad that comes with chicken, greens, cilantro, carrots, green onions, mandarin oranges, and cashews. Yummy! I asked them to leave off the fried wontons, hoisin sauce, and peanut sauce, since those often contain hidden gluten. For dressing, I requested oil and vinegar on the side, so I can control how much I use. I like that I pretty much know what I'm getting with basic olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Commercial dressings can have all sorts of ingredients, so I stick with this clean and simple combo. What I love about this salad is the double protein serving from 2 chicken skewers. It's perfect after my breakfast that was lighter in protein. And all the fresh veggies, fiber, and healthy fats, they keep me feeling fueled but not stuffed. A little menu finesse means I can enjoy a tasty lunch while sticking to my goals. By mid-afternoon, it's time for a little protein pit stop. Protein is key for building and maintaining metabolism-boosting muscle. So, I like to go with a jerky snack at this time of day. But I'm careful about which one I choose. Today, I've got a venison jerky stick. I chose a brand that is free of chemical preservatives that you'll find in other meat snacks. It's just grass-fed meat and spices. With no carbs, that's 0 sugar, this snack won't cause blood sugar spikes or crashes. Plus, this one has no fillers, meaning more protein in each bite compared to other snacks bulked up with grains or starches. This jerky stick makes the perfect portable snack on busy days. The flavor keeps me feeling satisfied until supper time. Finally, for dinner, I head to a local restaurant that I often frequent. After a quick scan of the menu, I decide on the Asian sea bass a la plancha, which comes with charred cauliflower, shishito peppers, and romesco sauce with toasted almonds. And their menu actually did me the favor of marking this dish as gluten-free, so it made my choice even easier. I usually ask for sauces and dressings on the side so I can control how much I eat, but in this case, since I've eaten at this restaurant before, I know how they swoosh the romesco sauce across the plate with the beautifully cooked sea bass layered on top. It gives me just enough sauce without it being overpowering or drenching my meal. So there was no need to ask for it on the side this time, as I can still leave any sauce I don't use on my plate. I love that I don't have to come home and cook a whole meal from scratch. With a little menu know-how, I can grab a nourishing restaurant meal that fits my diet. You've just gotten an inside look at what I really eat when I don't have any meals prepped or time to cook. I hope this real-life example has provided some helpful ideas on how you can stay on track with your goals, even on super busy days. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss new episodes. I'll see you next time with more real talk on living a healthy, balanced lifestyle. I'm Dr. Venus, signing off. Stay fit, be happy.